Hi, and welcome to Video Mojo. My name is John Leland, and this is a video blog and podcast that combines timeless marketing principles with the bleeding edge of marketing and video communications. And really today I am talking about something that can change everything, and that's the choices that we make in our business, and really some of the fundamental choices that are like the North Star that guides everything. You know, there are these whys, these passions, and when you have the discipline to take the time to listen for those, they do make better business choices, and not just about money, but about quality of life, quality of relationships, and doing marketing that's meaningful or communications posting that's meaningful. I started listening on Audible to the new James Taylor fragment of autobiography. It's his first 21 years. He calls it Break Shot. And he opens that audio program with this quote: "Perhaps art happens when the usual channels are not available and you have to find a new path forward. Sometimes in describing that new pathway, we open a door that is useful to other people too." And that's kind of why I'm here, because I'm opening doors for myself and exploring what do I want to say in this video blog? How can I contribute? Who are my tribe? Where's my community? And what I've remembered is that the internet is this multifaceted thing. We all know that there are spammers out there are trolls out there are get-rich-quick marketing people, but even beyond those kind of obvious obstacles that I do highly recommend that you avoid, in particular the get-rich-quick, here's the formula, here's the recipe, if you just follow this three-step process, you're guaranteed to make six figures. I don't think that's how it works, and I also don't think that that's a North Star. I've really learned over the years that it's not about the money. I like earning a living, there's nothing wrong with money, but I've found that there is a better internet, and the better internet is based on real people who are doing authentic things. I'm reminded of this story when I was on a video shoot in India. We were in an airport in a small city in India, and it was kind of this relatively modern, concrete, impersonal, dry, cold kind of building, like airports tend to be. And we were waiting for a delayed plane, and one of the locals invited me to go for tea at a local chaiwala, at a local chai stand. And we walked out of the airport, around a corner, and before we knew it, we were with the local people in a local chai shop, and it was warm and friendly and colorful like most of India, and very much not like the airport. And I said to myself, oh, this is the real India. Now we're in the real India. And I had a similar experience recently. I had a conversation with a marketer, the head of marketing showrunners, Jay Acunzo, and this conversation lit up my heart, because he's an authentic guy who I really think is about making a difference, who's saying some very direct things about how we build real community. And I went, oh, this is the real internet. I remember there are people out here like that. So that's my invitation to you this week. Find your North Star. Find real people, make real connections, build authentic relationships. There is a real internet out here, and if you do that, it changes everything. You'll make better choices that will give you a better life and better communities and a more satisfying business. So let me know what you think. I really appreciate your kind attention, and I do look forward to your feedback, comments, and suggestions. Thanks again for watching. See you next week.